Yeah, look at it. Yeah. That's it. So it is.
Yeah, is the baby hungry?
So can we eat?
Sit down and eat.
Sit down and eat. Good, eat. Say good night.
So you're going to eat or she can go night-night?
Eat.
Okay. Why don't you ever sit in your lap?
So lap.
Mm-hmm.
Baby can get in his lap.
Mm-hmm.
So lap. Just do it. Don't do it. Don't it, Sandy.
What'd you drop?
Hot dog.
A hot dog?
Is it cool?
What's the baby hungry for?
And no, it's bad.
Eat the bread?
Oh no. Dad, reset. Oh, you didn't reset.
You can reach it. You just got to work at it.
Hard. Good. I know.
Another what?
Yeah.
Another bread? Yeah, it's on the table already.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I got it.
You got it. Nice work.
Let's eat this.
You want Daddy to sit down?
Eat them. What's he eat? What's he eat the bread?
You want Daddy to eat the bread?
Breakfast.
Breakfast?
What's he eat it?
What's the baby going to eat?
Sandwich.
Sandwich? Or eat pizza?
Still cooking.
The soup is cooking?
Soup.
Soup? Okay. Oh no! The baby is concussed.
With that?
Yeah, I'll take that.
So.
Is it time for the baby to go night-night?
No. Like it?
Hey honey, you gotta let the cat be.
Take that out. No. Oh.
Oops. Daddy.
Yeah. This mess.
Placemats?
This mess. Here's a napkin.
Okay, there's my napkin. Awesome.
Awesome. What's your balloon? No.
Okay. Are you trying to make a placemat?
Like that. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Making. Nice.
Making a placemat?
Uh-oh. Napkin.
Yeah, I got my napkin right here. Tell you what might work, honey. Why don't you fold it in half? Why don't you fold the placemat in half, and then you'll have it'll stay on like this.
You make him?
Yeah. You want to do it like that? Or I guess you just, okay. Well, do it however you want, honey.
Here's a kiss up. Napkin.
Got your napkin. And a solid meal of ketchup. That looks delicious.
Push it in.
Want me to push in?
Second. Second. There's a butter,
Butter.
egg,
Okay.
and put the water on. Put the water on.
You got a lot on right here.
Where is it?
You can reach it. If not, you can get out a chair and get it.
It's yummy.
Is that yummy?
Hot.